Oh yes. That idiot is the most ungrateful being I ever seen in my entire life. Imagine after everything I did for that ingrate, I picked him from the gutters. I cleaned him up. I set him on a high that today he can sit among the princes. But one single favor I asked of him, he couldn't reciprocate. No, I stripped him of everything. Yes. I will show him that there are men who control this country. He will remain there until I am satisfied. Nonsense.
You have to love something. Kissing and hugging, you must love something. You know why? The Pasha woman and money
See, Jim, we cannot give up. We don't need to give up on him like this. After all, what are friends for?
You see, Joe, you have a point, but what are you suggesting we do?
Okay, this has proved to be an extreme case. And extreme cases require extreme measures. We just have to do anything within our possible means to make sure at least to find out who those people were and where they took him to.
So, anything like what? Like, have you fished out anything? Like,
see, Chima, we can visit a spiritualist, a pastor, a prophet, or even a native doctor. The most important thing is for us to find out where they are keeping our man.
Joe, see, prophet, yes, prophetess, yes, but see that native doctor, please remove it. Okay, ever since I was born, I've never visited any native doctor before, and I can't even try it now.
Okay, fine. I understand what you mean. We can visit a pastor or a prophetess. The most important thing is to find out where Ben is and who are the people that took him.
Okay, fine. Now, you are talking about prophet or prophetess, so do you have anyone in mind? Like, which of the prophets or prophetess are you suggesting we visit?
No news yet. Hey, this is not good at all. Eh? So is there anything we can do to help? Like anything? Hey, but we cannot just sit down and fold our hands and watch things unfold now. Hey, yes, good. Okay. What about his mother in the village? Have you people told her? Okay. Okay, that's okay. And please, I'm begging you, please, just keep me updated. Anything, don't hesitate to just tell me anything. I'll be calling you from time to time to know any updates on this case, please. Oh, okay. Thank you very much. Bye. Hey, God, I need your miracle now. Hey, sorry for my life. Ella, thank you so much. I'm here.
You're just like the sister I've never had. Thank you so very much. I mean, you helped me change. I had to stop drinking and smoking. That habit, oh my goodness. Thank you. I don't know what to say. I just want to say thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. I will miss you.
I'll miss you more, you know that.
But don't worry, I'll be calling you today. I'll call you. I mean, I have to call you.
Please, take care of. Look at, see, don't eat all the food though. Make sure you cook for daddy too while you're eating.
You know me now. Daddy's in good hands. I can take care of him very well.
It's okay. See your gate. Mind your gate. No one hears anything happen to my husband.
No, don't forget service. Yes, sir. Madam, anything for your boy?
I've changed all the money I have.
You too like
Go ahead, you know.
You hate money.
It's okay.
If you don't have, don't worry. Since he's already coming out.
No.
I thought you said you hate money.
Okay. Let me make it equal. Allah, it's okay. Let me show it for you. Take.
Hey! Madam, I feel like fainting though. Thank you. Damn. Only see.
Do you sabi where they change book?
How many?
5.
Madam, you give me 2. Okay. Hello, who is there? What is going on now? No, what is going on? I don't like what is going on here. Why are you people still keeping me here? Why am I still here? Okay, just come and kill me. I'm tired now. I'm tired. You not allow me to call the people I love. You not allow anybody to reach me, and you're keeping me here against all of us. What did you say? What exactly did I do to you people? What? Just come and kill me. Let me know that this thing is all over. You are feeling you are on top of the world because you are perpetrating wickedness. That's why you are feeling you are on top of the world. God will judge you. God will judge you and judge everything that you do. You will never know progress. You are causing an innocent man pain. Nonsense.
Babuchi, so Benjamin is now a forgotten matter, right?
I don't understand. Which one is Benjamin is now a forgotten matter? How would I forget him just like that?
Because you hardly talk about him these days.
Do you expect me to be talking about him every day? I have done everything possible. I have made the necessary calls. The miracle I'm expecting did not happen. It's 1 month already.
So, what is your plan right now?
How?
Are you still waiting for him?
I don't understand, Chinasa. What kind of stupid question is that? Wait. Chinasa, did anybody send you to me? If anybody sent you to come and start asking me these kind of questions, tell them that you did not see me. I am not available.
Okay. My mouths are closed.
Better for you. Which one is do I have it?
You want to marry, yes, you want to marry, yes, from the look of things, you want to marry my daughter, yes, oh yeah, show me.
Yeah. I'm ready to go to the market. I need you to give me some money.
Yes. The money is not complete.
Yeah. Now, which one is that? The money is not complete. Okay, just give me the one you have. Let me go and manage it. You know I know how to manage very well.
It's not even there at all. Wait. Just sit as you are.
I should wait.
Yes, now.
Yeah.
You and the madam. Talk on the phone. Stop, Roma. Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
Welcome, ma. How may I help you?
I'm sure I am in Mazi Okute's compound. Is that right?
Oh, my Bokuto, one yes. How may I help you, please?
Okay. My name is Lady Stainless, the only legitimate wife of the late billionaire business mogul in Wayangu PLC.
Chinikime, you're the wife of Iwanyangu?
Oh, yes, I am.
Hey, madam, please come and sit down.
Sit well. Sit well? I did not come here to sit. I would rather go straight to the point. My mission of coming here is my son who lives in America. In fact, he has not been to Africa before. He was born, bred, and raised in America. He wants to get married, so we decided to get him a wife here in Nigeria. A beautiful, homely girl who is a graduate at that matter. So while searching, we were directed to come to this place. I was told you have a beautiful daughter that matches this prescription. Is that right?
In fact, our daughter Oluchi surpasses that description. She has an HND in a federal polytechnic.
Not even a university?
They are the same. No. It's just a dichotomy.
So, can I see her?
She has a tailoring shop.
I was told.
Yes, I have to call her on phone to come back to the house immediately. So please, please sit down.
No, that would be necessary. I would rather wait in my car.
Okay, let me call her.
She go university, get a degree, not a diploma. Do you live abroad, a businessman or politician? If you're a civil servant, sorry, important. I wish you good luck, and by the way, you have to drop something. Drop something. You must drop something. You have to drop something.
I want to take you to Colin Origin to come back immediately. What about our son-in-law?
Your what?
Our in-law Benjamin. He has been coming here giving you money all the time. Anytime he visits, he gives you money and he even buy you things.
Agnes, so if somebody told you that I will throw away this God-given opportunity to enjoy billionaire's wealth, you believe it? That means you can believe everything. Oh, ring it now.
Hello, Papa. What? Did anything happen? Papa, what is it now? Can't you tell me on the phone? I should be coming now. Okay, I'll be on my way. But nothing happened. I'll be on my way. Okay. I'm coming.
You want to marry, yes, sir. You want to marry, yes, sir. From the look of things, you want to marry my daughter, yes, sir. Oh, yeah, show me your ship or your helicopter. She go university, get a degree, not a diploma. Do you live abroad, a businessman or politician? If you're a civil servant, sorry, important. I wish you good luck, and by the way, you have to drop something. Drop something. You must drop something. For love and romancing, you have to drop something. Kissing and hugging, you must drop something.
What are policemen doing in my father's house? It's like it's because of Benjamin. You want to come and arrest me because of Benjamin.
It is not Just make sure it is from your heart.
Calm down. I will face it for love. What I think? I will face it.
Be shame now before they change their mind. Now, this girl, I don't know if you call them business.
Papa, who are they? Why is police in our house?
They came to arrest you.
I said it to you.
Calm down. God has answered our prayers. Hey, madam, you can come. She's here. Umbrella. Yes, my umbrella is back. What a woman. Job. Palliative with yoga.
I think I like her.
I told you you like her. I'm one.
Well, I will communicate with you later. I'll get back to you.
Okay.
Meanwhile, have this.
Hey, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. God will bless you, sir. Sorry, ma. I'm very sorry, sir. Whenever I receive money that is bigger than what I expect, I can't distinguish between sir and ma. Thank you, sir. God bless you, ma. God will bless you. Thank you.
Good day.
Thank you, ma. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Say thank you to them. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, now.
You are even calling her man, sir. Eh? Because of money, you are calling her, sir. Calling a woman, sir.
Say thank you, ma.
Thank you.
Thank you. Cut your hand. Thank you. Thank you. Drive carefully, yo. Unfinished business, anyway. Thank you.
You want to marry, yes sir. You want to marry, yes sir. From the look of things you want.
I don't understand. Can someone explain to me what just happened now?
Ask your father. Ask your father. I was telling him, but he didn't listen to me. Ask him.
Papa, who was that woman and why did you ask me to come and see her?
Smell it. Smell it. Money smells good. Money is life. Life is money.
Papa, you have not said anything, no. You have not said anything.
Tell yourself the truth. Have you held 100,000 naira in your hand since you were born? Just for introduction. No, not introduction. Just bum, bum, bum. Who's there? What will finally happen when you accept?
Papa, see, if you're not ready to talk, I will just go back to my shop because I was very busy when you called me.
Okay. That lady you saw, her name is Stainless Lady. She's the wife of the late billionaire Iwanyamu PLC. Their son, who is in America, who is doing very well, wants to marry. So they want to marry for him. Somebody directed them here that will have the best product. God works in miraculous ways.
Which miraculous ways, Papa? Who even directed them here? Papa, did you not tell them that I am engaged? Is this not an engagement ring I'm wearing, Papa? Tell them to go and look somewhere else, oh. Me, I'm not interested.
Look, Gene, they have nowhere else to look, oh. Whatever can solve them. Don't try this thing again, oh. If you engage, you can be disengaged. Look, be very careful, oh. Eh? If you as Oluchi, you cannot even stop me from doing this. Don't try it, oh. Hold your daughter, warn her, oh.
Mama, Mama, did you just hear what Papa said? Don't worry, oh. Go back to your office and continue with what you're doing. When you come back in the evening, we'll discuss it. Oh? Please.
Office that I set up with my blood and my sweat.
Okay, no problem. No problem. And because I don't understand kind of the thing that my father will just change his mouth. Oh, just
It's only an engagement they did for you. You can disengage. There's nothing like engagement.
Yet he wants me to go to another person's place. I should follow that. You have finished eating Benjamin's money. Now you want me to go back. There's no problem.
No, what God cannot do does not exist outside the Bible. God has done it.
God has done.
Yes.
Now God has done what?
Can't you see the future? Anytime, let me and you be on the same side. We defeat her.
Which be on your? I don't want to be on your side.
I don't get it. Your parents did what?
I did not say my parents. I said my father. My father is busy making arrangements for me to marry Iwanyamu's son that lives in America.
So, they've given up on Benjamin. Like, they've concluded he's not coming back anymore.
Exactly my point. Why make arrangements for me to marry someone else when you know that I'm already engaged?
Hey.
Why?
Your father likes money a lot.
I don't know for that man. I don't just know.
But maybe it's because it's more than 1 month that Benjamin has been arrested. So they feel he's not coming back anymore.
It's a big lie, Chinasa. My father will give my hand out in marriage even if Benjamin is here right now. As far as that suitor is richer than Benjamin. My father likes money. He likes money. I don't know. Sometimes it's like I should conquer him. Every day busy collecting money from Benjamin.
Let's just believe it's because Benjamin is no longer coming around.
I don't understand. Is he right? Chinasa, is he right? Benjamin that they just arrested is not even up to 1 month. My father is busy making these arrangements. He has not even gone to see Benjamin. At least he would have waited. Let it get to 6 months, 1 year, even 2 years before asking me to get married to someone else. But no, he wants me to get married to another person because the person is from America. Now. Hey, I don't just want to talk. I'm very angry. My father likes money.
Too much.
That man likes money. Every time, what did you bring? What did you bring? Be embarrassing me every time. That's wrong.
Naya, how can't you be listening?
You are the one who's supposed to be listening. I'm asking you, Agnes, be listening.
How can you tell that woman that when you know our daughter is engaged?
Thank God you said engaged. Since it's an engagement, she has the right to disengage when she sees the right person. You know the money. Do you enjoy wearing soffity or poverty as Christmas cloth? All those people whose in-laws buy cars for, do they have 2 heads? All those people whose in-laws send abroad for Mungo, do they have 2 heads? Hi, God can see where I know money you see.
I like good things. I also want to go to America for Mungo. But the problem here is Oluchi.
I've told you to leave Oluchi for me. Just tell me, Nanya, I'm with you, and I'll handle the rest.
Nanya, I'm with you.
If you know.
Hey.
I want you to go to the market. Levels have changed. Buy fresh fish. Not the one in the fridge, the one that's by the riverside.
Okay, catfish.
Catfish.
Okay.
Make special pepper soup. We have to celebrate today.
Now you come. If you are doing like this, there won't be any problem now.
How can I be doing like this when there's no cash? Come on, go to all.
Hey. Okay.
Look, I am rich spiritually. Now that it's coming small, you can see the color of a man is when he has money.
So why do let me go and buy the fish?
Not the one in the fridge.
I know. Fresh fish, fresh one.
That's very good.
Okay.
So I will down from here. I'll go and get the special palm wine, fresh from Amos shop.
Okay.
He didn't come now.
Because he was afraid I said I would cut his leg off if I see him.
Please don't.
Oh no.
Okute, Okute.
Okutu Anine. Amos.
You're welcome.
Now, this boy.
And make it.
Amos. Now look at what I want you to do. I want you to fill this jar with palm wine that I'm taking to my house. And then also add up everybody's bill who has been here before and those who are present. I will pay. I want to spend my money.
Okutu Anine. Okute udegi na-ede everywhere. Ije n'enu okute, ije nani okute, ije na ndịda okute. Oya ọbụna maga ọfụma.
Ị maara onye m bụ.
But look, did you win jackpot or something?
No. My would-be son-in-law, who is based in the United States of America, sent me some Benjamin Egibwe dollar. Change ego kasa. I am stupendously rich, looking for a way to spend my money.
I will help you spend the money.
I'm available.
Hi.
Yeah. Amos, don't add my bill to his own bill. I came here with money and I'll pick my own bill. Of course, you know I was here before he came. Don't add my bill to his own.
Okay. Amos, don't add his bill to my bill because he's a willing willer. And then his bill will bring my bill bad luck. So calculate funding will be on here and I will pay. Do you understand? And what more? When you went up at school, no D at SS1. What do you expect? You gonna pen them, he gonna sweet us, he gonna pen you, he gonna pen you,
oh,
he gonna sweet us,
oh,
John, pen you,
oh,
he gonna pen you, he gonna
John,
sweet us. Have you seen the new money?
Look at you. I came here before you. I didn't come because of you.
So I have a new.
I have.
You want to marry, yes, sir. You want to marry, yes, sir. From the look of things,
Hey.
you want to marry, my daughter.
Hello.
Good life. Welcome.
Yes, so.
Bad life. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you.
Well, see me, see America. America, here I come for Mugo.
That is it.
Yeah. Man, hope you enjoy.
If you drink, if you eat, you drink my wine.
Okay.
I know you're a good cook. Just like, yeah, come on. But you're a good woman.
Yes, oh, nah, one God in my hand. Hey.
Hey.
No. Money stop nonsense.
Hey, here comes the reason for the celebration.
Yes, sir.
Our future billionaire's wife.
No, sir. We are billionaire. No.
Papa, Mama, what is going on here?
My daughter. Look, just bring spoon. Join us. Enjoyment is free.
Yes, sir.
God has finally remembered us.
Ne, taste the palm wine. Otoka, very sweet. Dear, go inside, get spoon, come and join us.
It's about you. It's about you.
Oh my God.
So better partake. Hey.
You want to marry, yes, sir. You want to marry, yes, sir. From the look of things, you want to marry.
How can you two be spending money from a total stranger? In a bid to give out your daughter's hand in marriage to her son, knowing fully well that I'm already engaged. How?
Point of correction. Before that woman saw you, she was a stranger. But immediately she made her intentions known to me and your mother.
Yes.
She is no longer a stranger, but a future in-law.
Put my husband.
That's my name. And pertaining to your last question, from this moment, whatever you had with that creepy Camry boy who drives that rickety car is hereby declared null and void and therefore of no effect. Oh, Supreme Court no go this house. I'm Supreme Court in this house.
Final.
Can you compare life and death?
Never when.
America and Nigeria? Light and darkness? So we, your parents, hereby declare that you shall no longer have anything to do with that boy, but with our new future-in-law. And that is it.
Final.
School Abasa.
Thank you.
I can hear you very well. I can hear you. I just wanted to ask, how far? Any news?
Yes, I said that we are able to find out the DSS station that did the arrest. And because a guy that was released from the same cell came out with the news, and I had to go back there with our lawyer. So the lawyer was mad at them for denying the arrest in the first place.
Just imagine. Just imagine. So, what are you doing now? Any hope of his release?
Yes. You see, our lawyer threatened to petition them if they don't take the matter to court. But later, after some deliberations, I don't know what they discussed. So the lawyer now came back to me and said we have to go and beg Chief for him to authorize his release. So that is how bad our system can be. You can't get justice from the court. Instead, you spend money, waste your time for nothing.
Hey, this is evil. So what are you people going to do now? Have you gone to beg the man?
We've not, but I believe before the end of today, everything will be settled. I believe so.
Seriously, I pray so. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you for your efforts. Thank you. Please do not relent. I'm begging you. Thank you. Just take care of yourself. Thank you. Bye.
You have to drop something. Kissing and hugging, you must drop something. You know why? To push a woman and that money, no story. You have to drop something. That's right. To push a woman and that money, no later after. You must drop something.
Please, sit down. I want to talk with you. Biko, I want us to talk like mother and daughter. You know you are my only child. And I will not deceive you. I am not going to mislead you. See, forget about what happened yesterday. It is due to excess intake of palm wine. But I am now with my clear eyes. Seriously, you know you are my only child. I have conscience. I am not a very bad woman. And I have sense too. See, it is true that Benjamin proposed to you. It is also true that you accepted his proposal before he went missing. But the greatest truth is that you should consider marrying Iwayamu's son. He's going to raise us from this poverty that we are into. We don't have anything. They are rich. He has money. He will change our life. Huh? Please, if this your Benjamin that got missing loves you very much, he should encourage you to go ahead and marry the man you want to marry. He will encourage you to marry this Iwanyamu's son and not wait for him till infinity. Nobody even knows when he's coming or if he's still alive or not. And when you tinye sugar no bupu ya. I didn't know for a banner and a chose or a banner. It is not done. Listen, our people said if you see what is bigger than farmland, you will sell your yam ban. Africa could be a law back. That is how it's being said. See, I will not deceive you. I am your mother. I want the best for you. So I want you to think about it. Think about it very well. Oh? Hey, don't keep waiting for who doesn't even know you're waiting for him.
Are you done talking?
Yes. I want you to go and think about it. Oh? Think.
Can I leave now?
You can if you want.
Thank you.
Don't see me as a bad mother. I am not a bad mother. I just want the best for you. I want the best for you, my daughter. Eh? And now she'll be seeing me like a wicked person just because I want the best for her. Who even likes poverty? Who wants poverty in this life? I don't think this marriage will work.
Why?
I heard our daughter making some calls this morning, asking after that stupid boy that got her engaged. And after the call, I tried talking some senses into her, but she ignored me.
Is that why the marriage will not work?
Is she not the one who is going to get married at the end of the day?
Agnes, I did not send you on any errand to anybody. Leave Oluchi and I will sort her out. Stop stressing yourself. Go and get me a knife and a plate for this. This one is right.
Oh, damn.
Yo! Well! Where's Mia?
Good morning.
Oluchi. Sit down. I am not fortunate to have been blessed by God with many children. The idea of a big family is that it is expected that one out of the many children will rescue the family from the hold of poverty. But in your own case, I had only you. And since you were born, it has been my prayer and belief that one day you will make us proud and bring us a very rich suitor who will come and wipe away the tears from the family. And that day of blessing has come. And I wouldn't want you to be the one that is standing as an obstruction to this blessing that is coming. If you have a thinking like that, better change it. Because anything that stands in the way of this blessing, if it's you, I will crush you and use your pieces to still achieve my aim. This is the warning I'm giving you as your father. Pico, you can go, that's why I called you.
things you want to marry my daughter. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, show me your jeep or your helicopter. She go university, get a degree, not a diploma. Do you live abroad, a businessman or politician? If you're a civil servant, sorry, impossible. I wish you.
I am so confused right now. I don't know what to do. Should I consider my parents, what they shall stand to gain in this marriage, or should I consider how Benjamin will feel if he comes out and hears that I'm getting married to another man? Hey, I'm so confused right now. God, what do I do? God.
Your phone has been ringing.
Hey, I thought it was in my pocket though. 5 missed calls. Hello? You have called my number 5 times. Who is this? Yes, Okute Wanine speaking. Accident. Huh? Look, young man. There are certain things you don't joke with because of social media. Please, nonsense.
Who was that?
It's just one idiot. Just call. He thinks he can joke with everything. Said already has been had an accident. Has been rushed to the hospital.
Wait, which Oluchi? My own Oluchi? Hey! Ewa! Hey! My enemies are after me. Please, which hospital did they take her to?
I didn't even ask.
Hey! Now you call that number again. Call them back to tell you the hospital they took my daughter to because. Hey!
Hello? Yes, Okute speaking. Which hospital?
Which hospital? Hey! Now, what should I have for you? Hey! No. Sit here.
In the name of God, the next time you want to cross the road, look left, look right, and left again, and if possible, right again. And don't cross when it's keke or bike coming. If it's Land Cruiser or Range Rover or Bentley, and you can cross. So that if you may go to Amani in 80.
You are my only chances of going to America for Mugo. And that is what they want to take. Hey, Mbano! They will never succeed.
Because spiritually, I'm already in America.
It will not work for them.
Shit, man.
We'll go there. I want to go to America. We'll go there for Mugo. And no stop crying on them.
Agnes, for somebody who just came back from hospital, swallow is not recommended. Go and make her some hot pepper soup.
Do you want chicken pepper soup or goat pepper soup? Which one do you want?
Did you finish one? Okay, just combine the chicken and...
The chicken, okay, I should prepare chicken and...
for me, and some small turkey.
Turkey?
Yes.
For you?
White rice.
Yes, no problem. So let me quickly go inside and start preparing.
Chief, my name is Chima, and here is my friend Joe.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
And why are you in my house?
Chief, we're good friends of your boy Benjamin. Yes.
You mean you're in my house because of that idiot? You walked into my house because of that ingrate? Listen, if Benjamin is the reason of your coming to see me, leave now.
Chief, please. Chief, please hear us out. Because,
Chief, please. That boy is your boy. Yeah? And the poor mother is at the verge of death. She hasn't spoken or seen her son for the past 2 months. Please, Chief, no matter what he has done, even if you don't have any reason to forgive him, please do it for the sake of the sick mother. Please.
Chief, please.
We're begging you.
We're begging you, Chief, because what you're asking for is impossible. Do you know what I've sacrificed for that fool? I risked my wealth because of him. I built an empire and I wanted him to enjoy it. I pushed him from nothingness into something. But what did he pay me back with? Evil. Just one single favor that I asked of him. He had the nerves. He had the effrontery to turn me, Chief, down.
Chief, please. Forgive and forget, please. Chief, please.
Chief, forgive him, please.
Chief, please.
He's your boy, please forgive him.
Please, Chief. Forgive and forget, Biko. Please, Chief. Benjamin is still your boy, please. Please. Chief, Biko. Chief, Biko.
Boy, sir.
Yeah, Bodo?
Driver.
No.
Madam sent me to give you this and the items in the boot.
$500,000.
Millions.
If we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Millions.
It is a man, I don't make it. Shh.
Hey, thank you. Thank you.
Okafor.
Yes, sir.
You just really ready. Hey,
Shouting, stop shouting.
hey, nice. Rice.
This is Inlove.
Back of rice. Thank you. Thank you. Are you still bringing more? Yes.
Did we ask for it? This is how Inlove.
God has blessed us.
Take
You know me. Thank you.
That's all, sir.
Thank you.
So,
Yes, sir.
Hey.
next time you come, I'll give you transport money. You know, we need to take care of this first. Thank you.
Hey. Somebody should hold me.
Jump in.
I feel like begging. Hey. This is too much. Hey. No, people will come and carry you. Hey.
My head is too... Everything is just too much for me to bear. Like, I don't know what to do anymore. I'm just confused.
My dear, even me too. I am confused. Like, I don't even know the advice to give you anymore. God said he will not allow temptation that is bigger than us come to us. But obviously, this is way, way bigger than us. It's bigger than us.
If I say no to my parents now, they are still the same people that will give my hand out in marriage to Benjamin. So who should I do? Who should I follow?
Well, the truth is, since he's not around yet, we should just play on a neutral ground until he comes back. Trust me.
You want to marry, yes sir. From the look of things, you want to marry my daughter, yes sir. Oh yeah, show me your jeep or your helicopter. She go university, get a degree, not a diploma. Do you live abroad, a businessman or politician? If you're a civil servant, then sorry.
Bros, good deal. Please, where can I locate my Zokute's daughter's shop?
As you are going now, the first stop by your left, take the road, the first stop by your left, then the next one by your right.
Okay, the first shop by the right side.
Yes, the first shop.
Okay, thank you. Hi, ladies.
Good afternoon, sir. Okay, good afternoon.
You are Oluchi, right?
Yes, I hope there's no problem.
No problem. You have a message from America.
America.
You heard me. Bobby, the son of Chief Iwanya, sent a message to me for you. This is iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I should give you this phone. And also, I will collect your phone number so that both of you will be communicating on phone and on social media platform. This is the phone.
Thank you.
You are welcome. He also said I should collect your account number so he will pay 1 million naira into your account.
One what?
1 million.
1 million naira.
Yes.
Hey, let me give you my account number now. 0032.
Call your phone number first.
Huh? Zero 90 125. Like play. I am now an iPhone user. Hey! Don't talk of. Do you know now I'm a millionaire overnight? Jesus! Hey! This is the latest iPhone.
Oh my God. I've not seen this type before. This is Treasure Pro Max. Even Sister Mary will fall for this.
Like iPhone millionaire overnight. Between 18 and
Jeez. Hey, before I forget, do my transfer. Sharp. Do my transfer.
Calm down. Just calm down. I think it's like I'm dreaming. No. I'm alive. And this is happening.
I see. I beg. Do my transfer now.
Calm down. Now let the money breathe in my account. At least let it stay 24 hours. So that when I wake up, when I sleep and wake up tomorrow morning, I will see 1 million naira in my account. Say, so really I'm a millionaire. Hey! Calm down. I know that. I will see go collect. I'll give you 100,000 naira.
Yeah! Thank you.
Serious. I am not the one giving somebody 100,000 naira.
Like seriously, my friend is not with the latest iPhone.
Hey. This is fine. It's just that it's still like a dream to me.
Yeah, but this is good.
1 million naira.
But I just went to Oluchi's shop. I was told that she has not been in her shop for the past 1 week.
Why are you looking for Oluchi?
But I have not seen my fiancée for the past 2 months now. I just want to see her and know how she's doing.
Naya, for your own information, Oluchi will be getting married soon. So you better start going back from wherever place you're coming from and never you return here.
You must be joking, right?
Who is joking with you? Me? Joking?
But how can Oluchi be getting married with my engagement ring on her finger?
Oh, that was your plan. To cage her. And then hook her down and disappear.
I did not disappear and I didn't abandon. I was...
Take your explanations to somewhere else. We don't need it. Our dear Honorable Oluchi, the most beautiful woman in this village, is getting married to the son of the most richest man in this town. Wow. The billionaire of our generation.
Yes.
Who, Iwanyan PLC.
Right.
His son lives in America.
Yes.
So take your poverty to somewhere else and never come back. My wife has the opportunity now to go to America and do a move.
Yes.
Shit, man.
I'll go to America to go and speak Ghana. Shit, man.
God, how can everything be happening to me at the same time? What have I done?
Lamentations 2020.
Someone should wake me up from this deadly dream.
Please, wake up. What God does not do, does not exist.
We don't dream here.
No.
Go to a house and dream